Satanic ritual abuse and secret societies. Not the same thing, right? It is unconstitutional to act like animal sacrifice, something that Jesus and the prophets commanded. Medicine, our spiritual covenants, can't be witnessed by a child if it is religious. Like a child can witness no matter what mistreatment the animals go through as part of the corporate meat and dairy system. But if it's a religious thing, it's like, oh no, crimes can be addressed without the religious element. It shouldn't be about going after the group. Certainly, a lot of teachings do exist. But if you look at some of the stuff in the Talmud or the Bible or some of these Vedic texts, just because you have a group based around those texts doesn't mean that they are doing those things which are crimes nowadays. Pagan doesn't really describe a religious type, neither does infidel or heathen. But honesty means we will admit the various claimants to divinity of the males and females are pretty much all demons. Now, some might be insane, people, but the other entities, they're not really gods. They're devils. The Moloch worship cults and the Mesopotamian myths do continue to influence most faiths, few of which are the same as satanic. As you can tell from the title, they're trying to make it like all secret society faiths. And it's like Kohen is the axis controlling faith. So, anything of that nature, whether it's Christian or Jewish, might be considered satanic if they're trying. Oh, wait, no, they're excluding that, right? Freemasonry and other secret societies are not to be equated with Satanism. Islam and mere symbols are not satanic. It's like, oh, you can have a star on a Christmas tree, but the second it's not on a Christmas tree, like on a T-shirt or something, oh, the devil's going to get you, it's like, or something. People believe that stuff. And other and people act like just like people act like any symbol of European culture or even ancient Jewish culture is, unless it's a six-pointed star or a 7 or 9 pointed candlestick, it's some sort of neo-Nazi thing if anybody repeats it, and it's like that's absolutely silly. Aleister Crowley largely taught techniques beyond particular belief systems. Now, there are crimes and stuff that might not be crimes, but certainly they misappropriated their use of a building. Somebody sneaks into a building outside of the schedule that's known to the rest of the group and does their thing. It doesn't mean that the group is to blame for that, whether it's illegal behavior or not. I've heard of up in New Jersey, there was this mosque that someone on the board there had gay porn shot on site when, chastity and modesty would have been what was taught there. And, or you find out something that was done at a Freemason lodge or something, it doesn't mean that Freemasonry is somehow this cult, just because there was a couple incidences of human trafficking or something that came through. And Freemasonry is open, just like a lot of the groups are actually open to people of different belief systems. So you can't say, oh, you can't be Christian and all these people. Lucifer, well, there's different beliefs of how you're going to divide the cosmology. Is it Tom Tiamat is the mother of Satan? Um, how does their theology pan out? So when people say that Lucifer is a title of a demon, then that kind of divides. But biblically, Isaiah 14 only says it sardonically or sarcastically or however you want to interpret that, but it's not saying that term is for a devil. Certainly, Daniel and Revelations, and is it First or Second Peter, calls Jesus Lucifer. Church services said that Jesus is the Lucifer of the Lucifers. So, um, you know, the one who brings the light, that wasn't thought of in that way. But there are different lights, you could say, that people bring. And some people do incorporate their things from secret societies into their own personal practices that, are outside of the group.